What's up, guys? I'm riding again, taking advantage. I hope you guys are having a good week. I wanted to share something. I almost got 800 miles on this thing. I got 773 miles so far on this bike. I don't have that much mileage under my belt yet. I'm doing everything that I can. How much mileage do all you guys have on yours if you ride? Comment below, let me know how much mileage you got on your bike. How many miles have you ridden so far lifetime? If you know, if you've kept track of it or not. I want to know. So far I'm at 774, but I want to get to 800. We're up to 777 right now. Don't forget, comment down below. Tell me how much mileage you got under your belt. How much mileage you got on your current bike. I'm new, so mine is going to be less. I've been riding around these types of roads. I've rode around freeways, not all the major freeways. A lot of freeways here in Houston, they've been doing a lot of construction. So I've been staying away from those. I try to take other routes. The only reason is because they've been leaving a lot of debris and stuff on the roads. I've been hearing a lot of people getting nails on their tires. They'll come home and they'll have like 2 nails on their tires, so it might be just the area that I'm living at. 783. $789, 790, 792, 8 more miles.